Hello and welcome everyone. Yes, Bitcoin can be sexy, it can be sweet, and is making millions. People are getting rich day and night over here, and you and I can do the same. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. How easy it can be to trade crypto. These are proven patterns that every trader knows and every one of us wants to know. All right, let's get to it. This is Bitcoin daily time frame, and what are we talking about here? Here are the patterns that every trader needs to know. This is the cheat to success. Chart patterns are high probability trading, guys. Double bottom, head and shoulders. This is what we're talking about. Triangle. All right. I have here on our website ppatrading.com in the blog chart patterns cheat sheet. I'm going to leave the link below and I'm going to walk you through every step all the way here. Let's start with Bitcoin over here. What are we talking about? This is what happened with the most classic pattern that every trader knows. Head and shoulders. This is the left shoulder. I'm going to show it to you live, okay? This is the head, this is the right shoulder, and this is the neckline. How do we trade this? We want to talk about what is it that we want to see right here. Let's look at the cheat sheet and what is it matching right here. Head and shoulders. 83% of probability. Here is your stop loss, your entry, your take profit. It is 83 probability for success for this pattern. This was Bitcoin for you guys. What else do we have here? SPI. This is shopping.io, cryptocurrency. This is easy, guys. Very, very easy. This is what we're talking about right here. We want to look at the chart and we want to find this pattern met on the cheat sheet and put the money in the bank. What do we see here? Right here, guys, is happening live. What is this? This is a double bottom formation. If we look at the cheat sheet, where is this pattern? Right here, double bottom, 78% probability. This is your entry, your stop loss. Always have a stop loss, guys, because nothing is guaranteed 100%, but you want to play on the probability and the highest probability. Look at this one. He basically did just that, double bottom, and it's a measure move. All right, WEXP. All right, another one here. Wow, this is very, very visible. Take a look at it. Double bottom formation. Okay, look at it. Okay, you don't know? Let's look at the cheat sheet. ppatrading.com chart pattern cheat sheet. Guys, look at here, right here. Double bottom formation on your screen. How do you play it out? You play just like that and you already completed the move. All right, our famous Doji. This is the Elon Musk's favorite coin. He's supporting this thing here. Look at what's happening over here. Basically, another double bottom. Besides this, do we have another pattern that has happened? Yes, look at here. Big candle to the downside. And then what happened after that? Look at it. There is a symmetrical triangle or a little wedge if you want to put it. You don't know how to trade this one? Okay, let's take a look at our cheat sheet. Is there any pattern that matches that? A downward momentum with a triangle. Oh yes, right here, guys, right here, right here. Look at it. Bearish triangle. We have a momentum to the downside. There is a little bit of a triangle. I would call this a descending triangle. Probability is 72%. Here's your stop loss, your entry, your take profit. All right, let's go back over here. Doji, what happened over here? It did exactly that. Your little triangle wedge, it broke to the downside, and then it formed a double bottom to another measure move. Take the profit, take the pattern, and put the money in the bank, guys. Nano, here's another one for you. This is full of patterns. Look at this one. Let's go this live. I'm going to draw this live with my bare eyes. Let's start with the very first one. Huge momentum to the upside. Then you form a little channel, a little wedge to the upside. Okay, let's say you are looking at this pattern live. What do you do? All right, let's look at the cheat sheet over here. What pattern do we see that is forming? Okay, it's actually right here. Look at here. A huge uptrend, and then it has a little wedge forming on the upside, and it is called a rising wedge. 73% probability. And if you look at this one here, it tells you exactly where to take profit. And if we go back to the chart and look at it. It did exactly that, guys. It just took off to the downside. And what did it do after that? Again, another huge red candle over here, and it formed a little triangle again to the downside. Okay, what is the likely probability here? Where do we see this pattern? All right, let's take a look at a T-sheet. A little triangle on the downside right here. Vroom, power to the downside, and it has this formation: your stop loss, your entry, your take profit. 72% probability of going to the downside. Let's look at the chart again, guys. Look at it right there. What did it do? It went right there and it formed a double bottom. Not a perfect one, but he also did a double bottom formation, and his measure move is complete. Okay, and if you're talking about, okay, these are patterns that has happened, well, I'm gonna give to you one that's forming right now, right in front of our eyes. Look at it, the move to the upside, and what is it forming right here, guys? A bull flag. This is called bull flag, or a momentum to the upside, a consolidation before it explodes to the upside over here. Okay, you don't know what pattern this is? Let's take a look at our T-sheet over here. Is there any kind of bull flag type of pattern or something that looks like that? Oh yeah, look at that here, right here, bull flag formation. This is the bull flag. This is a wedge type of formation. This is a little bit more a wedge triangle. I like this one. Is a little bit more of a rectangle flag. It looks more like it, but both are exactly the same. But 73% probability, 67. Okay, what do I do when I see this pattern? This is happening live to me. I'm gonna enter right there, and this is my stop loss. This is my take profit. Okay, this the market is telling you these are the patterns that you need to know. These are the patterns that make you money. These are proven, statistically back tested by many traders, and this is what makes money consistently, guys. Okay, if we take a look at Cardano, this is a very small time frame over here, and you can draw this over here, right? Now the hardest part is actually looking at it and drawing, right, and finding this pattern. You got to keep looking at it. Well, look at our website. We look at our YouTube channel. We have a whole bunch of stuff we provide to you live, free. Hacks here, 1,000%. Top 6 cryptos over here. We hit on Solana. This one went about 300%. So there's a lot of free stuff out there. And if you're not convinced, we also give you a free Telegram channel over here, PPA Training, that alerts. We provide alerts that we trade our own money. We provide the alerts. You trade with your own money the way you want it. We provide to you exactly how we're doing, and you're welcome to do whatever you want to do with your money. But the patterns are here, and we hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. This is great and live and sexy. Okay, and one thing that I ask you guys is support our channel. This is a great way to support our channel right here, live. Free Telegram, free YouTube, free website. Take a look at it and give us that like, support, and thumbs up. Thank you for watching.